Welcome back to the channel, tech enthusiasts and productivity seekers. If you are currently in the market for an absolute powerhouse of a laptop, a machine that does not just handle your daily workload but completely crushes it, you have definitely clicked on the exact right video today. We are taking an incredibly deep and detailed dive into a machine that is entirely redefining what a professional workstation can actually do in today's fast-paced world. I am talking about the highly anticipated, brand new Lenovo ThinkPad T16 Gen 4 AI business laptop. Now, before we get into the incredibly exciting nitty-gritty details, I want to mention that if you want to check the current pricing, see more user reviews, or pick one of these up for yourself, I have dropped a direct Amazon affiliate link right down in the description box below. Prices on Amazon fluctuate all the time, and you definitely want to catch this on a sale, so make sure you click that link to see the absolute best deal available today. Trust me, by the time we finish going over what this beast of a computer is capable of, you are going to want to see exactly what it is going for. Let us go ahead and set the stage for why this specific laptop matters so much. The modern laptop market is absolutely flooded with devices making wild promises, but Lenovo's legendary ThinkPad series has always been the gold standard for professionals, business executives, serious students, and content creators. The ThinkPad T16 Gen 4 takes that legendary, world-renowned reputation for reliability and injects it with next-generation artificial intelligence technology. This is no longer just a standard laptop, it's your new personal productivity assistant, built specifically for the demands of the modern workspace. Let us kick things off by talking about the absolute star of the show here, which is the performance engine. Under the hood, this specific model is rocking the revolutionary Intel Ultra 7 255U processor. If you were sitting there wondering exactly how this compares to the older generations of chips, let me paint a very clear picture for you. The Intel Ultra 7 completely beats and outperforms the highly popular Intel Core i7 1355U that we saw on so many flagship devices last year. We are talking about a cutting-edge video processor and CPU combination that is specifically engineered from the ground up for the era of AI. It handles intensive background tasks, smart battery management, and complex data processing with an unprecedented level of efficiency. Whether you're a student compiling heavy code for a computer science class, a business professional running massive financial models and Excel spreadsheets, or someone who is constantly multitasking across a dozen demanding applications at once, the Intel Core Ultra 7 handles it beautifully without ever breaking a sweat. It's incredibly responsive. When you combine that massive 32 gigabytes of lightning-fast DDR5 RAM with a massive 1 terabyte solid-state drive, you essentially have the perfect recipe for both blazing speed and massive storage capacity. Having a full 1 terabyte hard drive means you'll never have to worry about carrying around annoying external hard drives or running out of space for your massive project files, important PDF documents, or high-resolution media.
On this laptop, boots up instantly, loads in an absolute flash, and stays completely secure on the drive. Now, speaking of what you are actually going to be looking at all day long, let us transition over and talk about the display, because it is an absolute stunner. The ThinkPad T16 Gen 4 features a gorgeous, massive 16-inch FHD Plus LED display. The native resolution on this screen is 1920 by 1200 pixels. I want you to really notice that number. It is 1200, not your standard 1080p. That specific resolution gives you a 16:10 aspect ratio, which means you get significantly more vertical screen real estate compared to a traditional widescreen laptop. If you are reading long, text-heavy documents, scrolling through complicated web pages, or working on complex spreadsheets, that extra vertical space is an absolute game changer for your workflow. You literally see more of your work at a single glance and spend far less time scrolling up and down. This LED display also pushes a maximum brightness of 300 nits, which is perfectly calibrated for long, intense work sessions. It gives you wonderfully crisp, vibrant visuals without causing the severe eye strain that overly glossy screens can cause when you are pulling those late-night study sessions or pushing hard to meet a strict business deadline. Moving right along to the build quality and design, Lenovo sticks to its iconic, highly professional aesthetic. The laptop comes in that classic, sleek ThinkPad black colorway that just screams, I mean serious business, when you pull it out of your bag in a corporate boardroom or a crowded university lecture hall. In terms of the overall form factor and dimensions, the packaging profile measures roughly 17 inches long, 11 inches thick, and about 3 inches wide. The laptop itself is a substantial, highly durable machine, weighing in at roughly 6 pounds. It is built like an absolute tank, functioning as a true desktop replacement workstation that you can still comfortably throw into your backpack and take on the go. It is specifically designed for specific uses, like demanding business applications and rigorous student coursework, offering maximum screen size and uncompromising performance. We also need to talk about how you actually interact with this incredible machine, starting with the keyboard. If you know anything at all about laptops, you know that Lenovo ThinkPads possess the absolute greatest, most comfortable keyboards in the entire tech industry. This model features a brilliant QWERTY layout keyboard that is fully backlit, allowing you to type easily in dim environments like dark airplane cabins or poorly lit coffee shops. Surprisingly, the keyboard description even touches on gaming-level responsiveness, meaning the keys are so incredibly tactile, clicky, and responsive that it almost feels like a premium mechanical keyboard. The key travel and ergonomic comfort are simply unmatched for typing long essays or endless emails. Right below that legendary keyboard, you have a highly precise human interface touchpad that allows you to navigate the operating system beautifully and smoothly. Speaking of the operating system, this laptop comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro right out of the box. I want to emphasize that it is not the standard Home Edition, it's Windows 11 Pro. This means you get access to crucial enterprise-grade security features, BitLocker device encryption to protect your sensitive data, and remote desktop capabilities, making it the ultimate tool for corporate environments and serious IT professionals who need advanced networking features.
Security and privacy are absolutely massive concerns in today's digital landscape, and Lenovo has you completely covered here as well. The ThinkPad T16 Gen 4 includes a highly responsive built-in fingerprint reader. There is no more need to type in long, complicated passwords while sitting in public spaces. Just simply press your finger on the biometric sensor and you are securely logged into your desktop within a fraction of a second. Additionally, right above that beautiful 16-inch display sits a high-quality 5-megapixel front-facing webcam. In an era where Zoom calls, Microsoft Teams meetings, online classes, and remote job interviews are everyday occurrences, having a crystal-clear camera means you will always look sharp, professional, and perfectly lit on the other end of the line. Finally, we absolutely have to talk about connectivity, because a business laptop is completely useless if you cannot plug in your necessary gear. Lenovo went all out here, ensuring you have every port and wireless connection you could possibly need. You are getting blazing fast Wi-Fi 6E wireless technology alongside Bluetooth connectivity. Wi-Fi 6E means you are connecting to the newest, least congested, and fastest wireless bands currently available, ensuring your internet connection never drops or lags during an important video presentation. But for those specific times when you're in an office or a hotel and you need absolute, rock-solid network stability, this laptop actually features a built-in RJ45 Ethernet port. It is getting incredibly rare to find a built-in Ethernet port on a modern, sleek laptop, but Lenovo knows that true professionals still desperately need it. Furthermore, you get a dedicated HDMI video output port. This means you can seamlessly connect to external displays, office projectors, or televisions without needing to remember to pack a frustrating bag full of dongles and adapters. This machine is universally compatible with external monitors, mice, keyboards, storage devices, printers, and any other accessories that utilize USB, HDMI, Thunderbolt, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. To sum this all up for you guys, the Lenovo ThinkPad T16 Gen 4 AI business laptop is an absolute masterclass in portable productivity and power. It takes the unbeatable AI-driven Intel Ultra 7 processor, pairs it beautifully with a massive 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a spacious 1 terabyte SSD, and wraps it all up in a highly durable 16-inch chassis with the best keyboard on the market and a robust, no-compromise selection of ports. Whether you are a dedicated student heading back to the university to tackle a heavy course load, an ambitious entrepreneur building a business from the ground up, or a seasoned IT professional needing a reliable, secure daily driver, this laptop is a phenomenal investment in your daily efficiency and future productivity. If you're finally ready to upgrade your tech game, ditch your slow, aging computer, and experience this powerhouse workstation for yourself, please make sure to click that Amazon link I provided in the description below. Buying through that specific link helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you these deep dive reviews, and it ensures you get taken directly to the exact high-spec model we talked about today. If you found this detailed review helpful, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our future tech deep dives and product reviews. Leave a comment down below if you have any lingering questions about the ThinkPad T16 Gen 4, and I will jump into the comments and do my absolute best to answer them for you. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch today, and I will definitely see you all in the very next video.